So the wait is finally over. We actually have a launch date for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Remember all the back and forth about whether it was dropping on the 16th, 17th, or 18th? Well, thanks to Jasper Ellens and his reliable sources, it looks like September 16th is the day to mark on the calendar, and yep, teasers should start rolling out pretty soon. Now, if you've been keeping up, Igor Bogdanov recently shared some renders, fly more combo shots, and even some marketing images. We went over those in the last video. Even though the full specs and promo descriptions for the Mini 5 haven't surfaced yet, we've managed to get a look at some really detailed close-up shots of the drone along with box images, and while they don't spell everything out, they do give us a pretty good sense of what DJI has packed into this little machine. At this point, there's one headline feature everyone knows about, a massive 1-inch sensor packed into a drone that still weighs under 250 grams. That's huge. You're also getting a 24mm wide lens with a bright f1.8 aperture, which is going to make a lot of people very happy. Plus, DJI added LiDAR to help keep that big gimbal and sensor safe. Even the little details stand out, like props that you can swap out with a simple click and twist system. There's definitely more info on the way, so make sure you're subscribed, you won't want to miss it. None of that is official yet, but with the way these leaks are stacking up, it feels like we're just waiting for DJI to rubber stamp the whole thing. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.